How to save a document on Microsoft PowerPoint mobile app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to save a document on PowerPoint. It's so simple, but you need to know those things. Now let's go to PowerPoint. This is the home page. Now you can create a new document from here, or let's just go to any document to show you how to save after you finish. For example, let's say that you finish editing this presentation and you want to save it. Or what you have to do is go to the top right here, click on those three dots, and now choose save as option and choose where you want to save it. If you want to save it to your device, click here. If you want to save it to your Google Drive or SD card, click here on browse, and if you want to save it to your OneDrive, click here. After you finish, for example, I'm going to save it to OneDrive, change the name from here and click save from here. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.